What do you do to introduce contrast into your day, into your life? What do you do in order to experience new things, in order to put yourself into different situations and to expand your ability to learn about yourself? What are you doing for yourself, and how do you take those moments? Are they opportunities? Are they gifts? Or do you see it as a challenge? Do you see it as something that is being done to you? Do you feel victimized by those things? Put it in the comments. Let's talk about that. I'd love to hear your feedback on how you approach this type of thing and how you are experiencing life's events right now, whether or not they feel like they're good things or bad things, whether or not you're assigning meaning to those things, and what it is that you'd like to experience more of. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.